Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am gonna be doing something with my hair, and I'm gonna try cutting my bangs, but I'm gonna do curtain bangs. That's been really trending on TikTok, and I've always wanted to get layers in the front. I've cut my own bangs before, but it was like a very little amount because I was kind of scared to go all in. This time, I am gonna try cutting my bangs. I am a little nervous because my hair has gotten so long. I'm not sure if you guys remember from my last video, but my hair was like up to here and then it's down here now. Hair has definitely grown a lot. Anyways, it'll grow back and we're still in quarantine, so if I do mess up, it's whatever. But I just wanted to try out a different look, and I feel like my hair is so boring and I never really style it, so maybe this will be some way of making it look different. My internet is being so weird right now. I was gonna look up videos to follow so that I can not mess up, but I'm just gonna try doing it myself because I feel like it's not gonna be that bad. If you guys aren't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe, and then please like this video if you enjoy it, and let's just get into the video. Yeah, so I'm gonna try doing the curtain bangs, and I'm looking down here because I have my mirror here. I'm gonna try starting off by sectioning it in the front. I kind of switch my parts, so it doesn't really, I guess it doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna do the middle then. Ew, my dandruff. Because I haven't watched any videos on this or tutorials, I don't know how much hair I'm supposed to pull. So let me just, I'm just gonna grab the front sections. This is gonna be what I'm working with. I'm just gonna start by cutting it. I feel like people have way more hair. Also, I don't have the right scissors because my sister messed up the hair cutting scissors that we had that were pretty good, but these ones are really old and they're not as sharp, so hopefully it cuts well enough. Stalling because I'm kind of nervous, but I'm just gonna do it. Who cares? Oh. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this side because I'm right-handed. Okay. Whoa, this looks so bad. Ah. Okay, this part is really short, so I need to cut this shorter. Okay, let me grab these pieces and thin them out. Okay, so now I have these kind of scissors where they are supposed to thin it out, so let me try that. Yeah, so I am just gonna grab a whole chunk of pieces actually, maybe this much, because it looks like it's just very little and I need to go all in, you know? Okay, so I grabbed a lot more and I'm gonna work with this much hair, okay? Oh crap, I just realized you probably can't see what I'm doing. I'm basically just grabbing pieces of hair, well I'm grabbing them straight down, and then I'm kind of curving the scissors so that it's at an angle. not look good. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. I need to see what this looks like. This looks so bad. Wait. Let me see if my internet works. Is it just YouTube or something? Okay, wait. I'm watching this Korean video. So I'm gonna follow this Korean. In this video, what they did was they grabbed the front pieces, and in the middle, they grabbed the middle pieces, and he cut up to the nose. I don't think I've done it this short. That was a lot. Okay. Okay, so he grabbed a little more. This is confusing because he just like slightly grabs some, and he like cut straight across. Guys, what do I do? Okay, let me try to fix it a little bit and then come back. So guys, this is how my curtain bangs ended up coming out. I ended up cutting a little bit shorter for this middle section. I just grabbed a little bit more pieces. I have like a blow dry brush, so that's why it looks a little bit more curved. Otherwise, if you don't really blow dry your hair, it'll kind of look very choppy. So I definitely recommend that. I don't really know how I feel. I kind of wish like maybe it'll look better if I actually curled my hair, but I mean, I really think this is a very subtle change, and it's not too drastic where I feel like weird about it. I definitely probably could have went a little bit shorter, but I was kind of scared because I didn't know what I was doing. I think it's not that bad. I kind of probably could have went a little bit shorter in the front, but I was a little too scared. So maybe I will end up doing that. But let me know what you guys think, and if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.